A gentle breeze passed through Wonder Garden. The plants swayed, enjoying the fresh air. Strawberry relaxed. I love the wind. It feels like nature's hug. Basil, fresh air keeps us strong and clean. But suddenly, whoosh, the breeze turned into a powerful windstorm. Trouble in the garden. Tomato, whoa. I'm tipping over. Seeds held onto a rock tightly. Seeds, I'm flying away. Help. Strawberry clutched her leaves. My leaves are tearing. Basil stood firm and called out, Basil, don't panic. Just then, Yasser arrived with sticks and straw. Yasser, I'll build you little windbreaks to block the strong gusts. Protecting the garden, Yasser built small fences around the plants. The wind was still there, but softer. Tomato, this is better. I feel safer. Strawberry, thanks, Yasser. Learning to bend basil. Sometimes the best way to face the wind is to dance with it. The plants began to sway playfully with the breeze. Strawberry laughing. I'm doing leaf ballet. Even seeds wiggled a little underground. Calm after the storm by sunset, the wind had settled. Seeds, I was scared, but I feel stronger now. Yasser, today you learned that wind isn't always bad. It made you tougher. The plants laughed, wore leaf hats, and celebrated their resilience.